You need to hear this if you're a homeowner in Houston. Fire and mold damage can wreak havoc on your home, but BIONIC Emergency Services has got your back. Imagine waking up to find your home damaged by fire or mold. Scary, right? Smoke residue, lingering odors, and hidden mold growth can lead to serious health risks and costly repairs. But don't panic. BIONIC Emergency Services is ready to help. At BIONIC, we specialize in fire and mold damage restoration right here in Houston, Texas. Our expert team works around the clock, 24/7, to bring your property back to life. Fire and smoke damage cleanup. We remove soot, odors, and hazardous debris, ensuring your home is safe and clean. Mold remediation. We eliminate mold at the source, preventing regrowth and protecting your family's health. Full restoration. We rebuild and secure your home for long-term safety so you can get back to normal as quickly as possible. Don't let fire and mold ruin your home. Call BIONIC Emergency Services now at 346-275-3383 or visit us at bionic24365.com. We're committed to serving Houston and surrounding areas with personalized, expert care. Remember, when disaster strikes, BIONIC Emergency Services is here to restore your peace of mind. Your home deserves the best. Choose BIONIC. Call now, 346-275-3383. Visit us, bionic24365.com, serving Houston, Texas and surrounding areas.